I don't know how long it's going to take for all this water to recede. But monsoon season 2026, starting with a bang. Starting with a bang, y'all. Thank God I'm off for the next 3 days. But I don't even know if I'll make it home the next 3 days. The way it's looking now, this is incredible. Flash flood. This is off a little over an inch of rain a couple of hours ago. About a little after 3 o'clock, we got a big storm. It's 7:13 right now, July 20th. This is crazy. That water may still be flowing tomorrow like that.